So how do you get your first Bitcoin? And that's a question that comes up a lot, especially with newbies, right? And the common answer most people will say is, oh, go and sign up for an account on this exchange, and they mention an exchange, and use your bank account or your credit card to buy Bitcoin. That is an acceptable answer. It's not a good answer. So let's look at some good answers. First and foremost, earn. Get paid in Bitcoin. Most people don't even think about this one, right? What are the benefits of using your labor, the products you make, the services you offer, the skills you have to earn crypto? This doesn't just apply to Bitcoin, of course, but any form of money. The huge benefit of earning crypto instead of buying it is privacy. If you go and offer someone a haircut or drive a taxi or wash a car or paint a painting or set up a web server and you get paid in Bitcoin, are they going to ask you for your driver's license, passport, birth certificate, grandma's maiden name, social security number, passport number, proof that you're not Iranian? No. You're going to get the job done. You're going to get paid in crypto. So you just earned your first crypto, and it's private. It's a private commercial transaction between two individuals. Privacy matters. Secondly, what is the exchange fee you pay when you earn Bitcoin? 0. That is the best exchange fee to pay. 0. Nobody's going to charge you a fee. In fact, in many countries, you might actually get a premium for that. You don't always have to be self-employed to do that. Many companies offer an opportunity to get paid directly in crypto, either as your whole salary or as part of your salary. I currently employ 11 people, some as employees, some as contractors. Several of them get paid partially or wholly in crypto. Some Bitcoin, some Ether, some a mix of the two, bit of US dollars in the mix, maybe some euro, just mix it all up and pay your people. So you can earn in a variety of ways, including as part of your wages. There's also companies that can help you do that, even if your employer has no idea what this Bitcoin thing is that you keep talking about. So what they can do is they can become a payroll provider where, just like you take some of your payroll out and put it towards a savings account or a retirement account, and your employer is quite happy to deposit to a different bank account, well, some of these providers will take that and convert it instantly to Bitcoin and send it to you. So your employer doesn't even know that you're getting paid in crypto. You're just having it converted each time. That does carry an exchange fee, though, and all of the identity requirements. Of course, you can buy crypto from an exchange, and that's one way of doing it. You can buy Bitcoin from a Bitcoin ATM using cash. In Europe and many countries around the world, Bitcoin ATMs are completely anonymous. You don't need to provide any ID to buy or sell Bitcoin. Some of them are two-way. You can send Bitcoin in and it spits cash out. Very useful if you're a tourist in a foreign country. Much better way to get cash in the local currency than using an exchange. In the US, 99% of Bitcoin ATMs will require you to identify yourself by providing some kind of identification document, and they will charge you quite a bit. This is because of state-based regulations on money transmission. You can also buy directly using cash from just people, right? And you can do that using an intermediary service like Local Bitcoins. And what they will do is they will make sure that the Bitcoin is in escrow so that neither party can run away with the money and not pay the other party. Now, obviously, meeting someone at the Starbucks to exchange some amount of cash in order to exchange it for magic internet money may be risky, right? You want to do this in a public space exactly the same way you would if you were buying or selling something on Craigslist or eBay and you had to meet the other person in person, right? Don't go to an alley. You know where one of the best places to trade crypto is? A police station or a bank. They don't care. In fact, some police stations around the country have Craigslist zones where you can go right under the cameras and do your transaction next to the police station so everybody feels safe. Well, you can use one of those. And finally, you can trade your belongings for Bitcoin. Sell your car for Bitcoin. Has anybody done that? Yes, I have. I sold a Mini Cooper at 11 p.m. on a Saturday night when all of the banks were closed to a person who wasn't in the state at the time, in a completely different state, paying for his cousin to buy the car. 3 confirmations, here are the keys.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share. All my work is shared for free, so if you want to support it, join me on Patreon.